my YouTube channel. How you feeling? So basically today I'm giving you a few hacks. I'm bringing you a few hacks for the Model 3. These mats right here are called Smart Liner. So now I have 3 fun facts about these liners. So these are the best bang for your buck for Model 3. And this company used to be called Max Liner, but they revamped their logo. Is now Smart Liner. So that's the first fun fact. The second fun fact is the quality you get with these. As you can see, the grooves, the traction when it's raining, snowing, whatever it is, you can feel like it's not slippery. So it makes sense to have this type of brand. The third fun fact is I did a lot of research, and this versus the one that Tesla sells on their official website, the grooves, it doesn't come with these grooves as like if you can see yourself. I'm gonna share a link down below and you're gonna see how it differs. So that's the third fun fact. So I'm gonna show you how I'm installing that today. And last but not least, I'm installing these foot pedals. And this is the maximum amount of comfort, traction, I mean. So when it's raining, whatever it is, you don't slip up. So you see how nice it looks, and this is the brand, 1PZ. That's perfect. And then also, there it is. This is here's the diagram. So we got this. We got these 3 only, yeah. But you can also invest in those other ones if you so please. Usually, I'm one to read installs, but honestly, you don't need all of this. It's simple, easy install. Driver front. Perfect fit, as you can see. Perfect. Passenger front. Perfect, you can see. Looks flush. Perfect fit. As you can see, I love you guys. And also, Mother Nature wants to match the interior of this Tesla. It's really cold, by the way. But this is the final install. You just have to work it in, push it, use a little elbow grease, push it a little, keep pushing it in until you get the perfect fit. This is how you know it's robust, it makes sense. You want it snug so it doesn't move at all. So here we have it, and then these are the grooves I'm talking about. You see the one that Tesla sells on the official website, it wouldn't come with all this. So imagine you not having all this. So this is a perfect fit, and as you can see, the traction, perfect. Once again, I'll link all this in the description below here. So this one goes like this. As you can see, you just remove the old one as is, a little elbow grease. See, this how it look, and then the comparison right here, and then place this in as so, seamless. Okay, as you can see, very snug, and look, it adds a little bit of better aesthetics. And so we're gonna remove this one as well. This one, actually, I was wrong. You don't have to remove that one. You don't have to remove anything on that one. You just place it like this, as is. Okay, not gonna lie, the accelerator is not as easy as an install as the brake pedal. So I highly recommend you like flex it like this, so it comes into a perfect fit. And please make sure it's actually well snug. I don't want you guys, having any accidents. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much. Oh, you missed me already? So basically, I have a referral code. I'm also gonna put down in the description. I'm gonna put it for the first video and this second video as well, and all the other videos in the future leading forward. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you. And the referral code also, it gets you free 1,000 miles when you get your Tesla. So, and also me, myself. Thank you so much.